Yeah, it's funny how hard she
pick
poked.
at the top.
Don't go to sleep. How much more is that?
Not a lot. Just that other side.
Ooh,
It
yeah.
poked. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
I see so much of it now. How much? It's still this whole area that's
Uh-huh. That's the area that is. Oh! Some of the shell flew off.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there on Tiny.
Wait, is that the shell?
Yeah, you feed the
The
shell to
inside! Oh!
Auntie,
What's it feel like? It feels like the inside of an actual egg.
Really? Oh my
Sort of.
gosh.
Tiny's broke it. Tiny's... Keep going! Gotta keep going.
Mommy,
Huh?
it feels like a real egg.
It does? Oh my goodness.
The baby's coming.
The process.
The process takes forever.
Lots
Oh
of
my
pieces
gosh.
on the floor.
You're gonna be born, aren't you? Say, I'm coming out.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
Something there!
Little edgy. Can I touch it? Oh, feels good.
oh, it feels good.
Keep going! No sleep! You gotta poke this hole.
She's like, it's a lot of work to hatch.
She's yelling at Leia.
It teaches the children patience.
No! I refuse to let it sleep. This is a long process.
Mommy, be patient.
I feel like I'm in a real labor delivery.
And it's
Push!
the first time.
Push!
Girl, you can do it. We ready to see.
You can hatch it in your
Oh,
belly.
there she goes. It knows where it needs to poke now.
Oh, gosh.
Stop! Just hatch!
She has to hatch right there. She might poke out.
Here goes to sleep on my head.
Oh.
Just needs one more
It's
big
this
one right
side.
there. There she goes.
Yeah, but this whole side needs to get broken.
Yeah.
How long
Stop
is
going
it
to
going to
sleep.
take for her to hatch?
Go to sleep.
How long is this going to